We're going to be rounding, so get your high-tech digital shields ready. Those are index cards. We're going to round to the nearest multiple of 10. I'm going to underline everything up to the tens place. And in this case, that's the whole number. And so I'm looking at the number 48. We're rounding to the nearest multiple of 10. Let me get my number line ready. What multiples of 10 surround the number 48? Well, I know 48 is more than 40 and less than 50. 48 is somewhere between 40 and 50. I like to find the midpoint first. That'll help me out. So right in the middle of 50 and 40 is 45. So I look at my number 48. 48 is more than 45. Which means it's going to be somewhere up here. Everything that's more than 45 is going to be closer to that 50 number. So this must be closer to 50. 48 rounds to about 50. This time we're looking at the number 74. We're going to round it to the nearest multiple of 10. So I'm going to underline everything up to the tens place, which is the whole number again. All right, now I'm going to get my number line ready. Which multiples of 10 surround the number 74? 74 is more than 70, but less than 80. Halfway between 70 and 80, that's going to be 75. 74 is slightly less than 75, which means it's going to round closer to 70. It's going to round to 70. 634. We're rounding to the nearest multiple of 10 again, so I'm going to underline everything up to the tens place. I don't need to look at that 600 for right now. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get my high-tech digital shield and cover that bad boy up. Right now, I just want to focus on the 34. I'm not even worried about the 600 anymore. 34 is in between what multiples of 10? I know it's more than 30 and less than 40. Right in the middle between 30 and 40, 35. 34 is slightly less than 35, which means 34 would round to 30. But remember, our number isn't really 34. It's 634. So let's add on that 600. Boom, 634 rounds to 630 when we're rounding to the nearest 10 anyways. One more time, we're going to round to the nearest 10. 765. I'm going to underline everything up to the tens place. Boom. And so I'm going to ignore that 700 for right now. I don't need it. I just need to focus on the 65. 65 is in between 60 and 70. Right in the middle is 65. Nani? All right, wait a minute. That's our number. Our number is the middle. So if you ever have your number stuck in the middle of your two multiples, then you're just going to round up every time. If it's in the middle, you go up. I wish I had a rhyme for it, but I don't. All right, but don't forget, our number wasn't 65. It was 765. So we're going to add on our 700. 765 rounds up to about 770.